Welcome to Module 4, creating a gift game. This is going to be fun all through. Delete the existing sprites. Choose a gift sprite. You can do this very easily by typing gift. Okay, so we'll go to costume. Before we go to costume, let's choose a backdrop. Let's go with room 1 backdrop. Okay, here it is. Very good. You see how beautiful it is. And now we can go to costume and select the blue version. Go back to your code and let's start coding. So we go to events, we drag when flag clicked. Next we go to variables and make a couple of variables. So let's name our first variables mine, and then let's drag set my variable to 0. What we have here is mine, and then we go to operators and pick random 1 and fix it inside this 0 here, inside of our variable block. And so let's change the 1 to 10 to 1 to 3. Okay, then we go to looks and drag the switch costume block to gift A. Let's change it to gift A. Okay, and then we go back to events, drag when this sprite clicked down here, and next we move to control drag if then else block. Move to operators and drag equals to 50 block, fix it inside of here, inside of the if then block. And then let's change the 50 to 1, and then we go to variables, drag mine, and fix it here, and then we go to looks, drag switch costume to okay, let's go to costume and select something else. Let's select a proper gift. Select a cake, and let's also select an awful gift. Let's go with let's look at animals and look for something really awful. Oh my god. Do we go with a bat or a duck or a flying cat? Okay, so let's go with at B and reduce it a bit. Okay, so go back to your code and change this to cake A, and we go to sound and drag start sound, fix it under switch costume. We go back to we go to sounds and select a proper sound. Let's go with tada. Very good. Go back to your code and change this pop sound to tada. We go back to looks. Do we go back to looks? No. We go to control and drag wait 1 second. Drag wait 1 second, and let's change it to 2 seconds. Okay, so we still have this place vacant, what do? Go to looks and drag switch costume. Drag switch costume to bat B, okay, and then go to sound and fix under it, but we won't want it to be the same sound since it's something awful. So we're going to choose a sound and let's go with good. Let's go with this ba, the ba sound, and change it to ba. Very good. So we go to events again, drag when I receive message block. So take your cursor to if then block and right click to duplicate it. We'll fix it right under here to make it very easy and fast for us, so we don't have to start all over again. Okay, so let's remove the sound blocks. We won't be needing them. How do you take this off? You left click, drag, take it back to the blocks of code. Okay, very easy. We go to the sprite gifts 1 to form gifts 2 and 3. So right click on duplicate to have the second one. Right click on duplicate, and so let's drag it properly. Okay, so let's go to costumes and costumes and change it back to a gift. Very good. So here it is. So let's go to gifts 2 and change the number on the operator block from 1. Change the number on the operator block from 1 to 2. Okay, we go back here and change it to 3. So here it is. We have our gifts game. Okay, so choose awful. Oops. Yay! I got the gifts. My lovely cake. What an amazing game. So quickly build your own gift game and dribble it with your siblings, mommy, daddy, or your friends. Thank you.